Welcome to the online classes from Dhaka Secondary School, North Karachi campus. Assalamu alaikum, students of class 7 in the online class of Social Studies. We are studying chapter number 9, the population of the Muslim world, and I'm your teacher, Ms. Usma. Topics of the day are population of the Muslim countries, literacy of the Muslim countries, and life expectancy of the Muslim countries. Population of the Muslim countries. The first question raised in the mind that how many countries are the mostly Muslim countries? There are about 50 countries where the majority of the population is Muslim. Worldwide, there are about 30 countries with a Muslim population in which more than 90% of the inhabitants belong to Islam. In front of you, you can see that India has 15% of the Muslim in their country. That is world's 11% of the Muslim population. Literacy of the Muslim countries. The literacy rate in the Muslim world, whereas Azerbaijan is in the second place in the index of literacy of world countries. Some members such as Iran, Kuwait, Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, and Turkmenistan have over 97% literacy rates. Various literacy rates are the lowest in Mali, Afghanistan, Chad, and parts of Africa. In 2015, the International Islamic News Agency reported that nearly 37% of the population of this Muslim world is unable to read or write. Basing that figure on reports from the organizations of the Islamic Cooperation and Islamic Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. The statistical chart might be worth studying for the disparity literacy rates between different Muslim countries as well as other countries in the world. Note the reasons for the relatively high figure for Brunei, Jordan, Malaysia, Indonesia, Tunisia, and Turkey. Now, the relatively low ones for Afghanistan and Bangladesh, and the relatively low female literacy rates in Morocco and Pakistan as well. Life expectancy of the Muslim countries. The chart is in front of you. They are showing you the Muslim population mid 2012. After that, the total population mid 2012 millions, percentages of Muslims in 2010, life expectancy at birth, both sexes years, and the last one is birth power women. The questions are in front of you. Study them and complete your work well. Thank you.